Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RPM Rodstar. Today we're diving into an exciting new release, the 2025 Grandi Classic. This car is set to make waves with its stunning design, luxurious interior, and powerful performance. If you're a fan of classic-inspired modern cars, this one might just be for you. Stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know about the Grandi Classic, including its features, specs, and expected price. The 2025 Grandi Classic brings a timeless design with a modern twist. The exterior showcases a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that gives it a sophisticated yet aggressive look. The long hood and sloping roofline enhance its premium appeal, while chrome accents add a touch of elegance. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels complete the look, making it stand out on the road. At the back, the design is just as striking. The LED taillights have a unique pattern that enhances the car's identity, while the dual exhaust setup hints at its powerful performance. A subtle lip spoiler adds a sporty touch without overdoing it. Whether you're parked or in motion, the 2025 Grandi Classic demands attention. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with advanced technology. High-quality leather upholstery covers the seats, offering maximum comfort. Soft touch materials, wood trims, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with the latest connectivity features. Comfort is a priority in the Grandi Classic. The seats are designed for long drives, offering heating, ventilation, and massaging functions. Rear passengers get ample legroom, along with their own climate controls and entertainment options. The panoramic sunroof adds to the spacious feel, making every ride more enjoyable. Performance-wise, the 2025 Grandi Classic doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it's expected to house a powerful V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with an advanced automatic transmission for smooth and responsive driving. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, this car offers a thrilling yet refined driving experience. The suspension system is tuned for both comfort and performance. It absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride while still maintaining excellent handling dynamics. With multiple driving modes, you can customize your experience based on your preference. Whether you want a relaxed cruise or a more spirited drive, safety is another strong point of the 2025 Grandi Classic. It comes packed with advanced features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The car's structure is built with high-strength materials providing excellent crash protection. Technology plays a huge role in making this car smarter and more convenient. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The driver assistance features, such as parking sensors and blind spot monitoring, make daily driving much easier. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Grandi Classic is its blend of old-school charm with modern innovations. It captures the essence of classic luxury cars while offering the latest tech and performance upgrades. This makes it a perfect choice for those who appreciate heritage but don't want to compromise on modern conveniences. Another highlight is the exclusivity factor. The Grandi Classic is expected to be produced in limited numbers, making it a rare and desirable car. If you're someone who loves owning something unique, this could be a great addition to your collection. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, industry estimates suggest that the 2025 Grandi Classic could start around $80,000 to $100,000, depending on the trim level and customization options. Given its premium build and features, this price range makes sense for what it offers. Overall, the 2025 Grandi Classic is a stunning combination of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. Whether you're a collector or someone looking for a standout vehicle, this car ticks all the right boxes. With its powerful engine, advanced tech, and elegant design, it's bound to be a future icon. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RPM Rodstar for more in-depth car reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Grandi Classic. Would you consider buying one? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.